I'm Jeff, and this is the JarfCast. Jarf! So what's a JarfCast, you may ask? Well, that's a little bit tricky to answer right now because we're changing the format. What was the JarfCast? Basically, three dumb guys playing video games. And that's a little bit tired. So, we're getting older, and our interests are expanding. You know, like, two of the Jarfs are dads now, and I've got a house and money to buy things, like this 3D printer you see behind me. We're still not quite sure exactly what we're doing with the channel, but it's still going to be us, and it's still going to be us being dummies, but we're going to be dummies, and we're probably going to be building stuff and just talking about things that we're interested in more so than playing video games. The video games are gone. We'll still play them. We just won't share us playing video games with the world, because the world doesn't need any more of that.
I hope you're dancing with me.
The world needs cool 3D printed stuff, like the prototyping board that I'm working on, or like the table that my brother and Mark built. Maybe I'll show off the dash cam that got me to the front page of Reddit. The only way to find out is to stay tuned and see what these three dumb boys are capable of. Sure.